Tecno's new mid-range lineup is finally here and we've been spending some good time with it. The company has brought significant improvements across the board, which we've really loved. From TechWiz, I'm George Kamau with the Camon 20 Premier 5G full review. Let's take it and go. The Camon 20 Premier 5G is a camera-centric smartphone and Tecno went big. We get a triple camera setup with a leading 50-megapixel RGBW Pro primary lens with sensor shift OIS and support for ultra-steady video. A 108-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus and macro capabilities and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The camera island has laser focus and an octa-ring LED flash. For the front, we have a 32-megapixel selfie camera and dual LED flash. Video recording is kept at 4K 30fps for the rear cameras and 1440p 30fps for the selfie camera. This is a top-tier camera smartphone. It takes really good photos in most situations and even in low light. The Camon 20 Premier 5G continues winning by getting sharp and well-detailed shots with the right amount of exposure and dynamic range. Colors and saturation are perfect, so you get to instantly share photos on social media platforms. Portraits and bokeh shots look really good. For all your photography and videography needs, the Camon 20 Premier 5G will be the right companion even for a night out. While the phone takes excellent looking photos, it looks just as great. The back design implements 20 irregular ribs in a 3D lychee pattern, leather finish and nano-crystalline ceramic, which gives the phone a really stylish look. Our unit came in dark Welkin, but you can get yours in Serenity Blue. Both look really good. We get a stereo speaker setup for audio and Tecno finally gave us an under-display fingerprint reader. It has an IP53 rating. The screen is just as gorgeous as its back. This is a 6.67 AMOLED screen rocking 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. Interacting with the phone is pretty smooth, perfect for scrolling social media, browsing the web, and gaming. The screen is beautiful and that paired with the stereo speaker setup makes up for an excellent multimedia consumption experience. The Camon 20 Premier is not just looks on the outside. The phone is packed heavy under the hood with a Dimensity 8050 5G chipset with 8GB onboard RAM and 8GB virtual RAM. Our unit is the 512GB onboard storage version. Camon 20 Premier ships with Android 13 and iOS 13 straight out of the box. This combination delivers incredible performance in just about any scenario. The phone runs through day-to-day tasks without breaking a sweat. Gaming, doing light office work while on the go, switching between apps, there's nothing this phone can't do. It is a perfect companion for heavy multitaskers. It ships with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging. Battery life itself is pretty excellent as well. I got a full day's worth with heavy use and had some charge left on most days for late night browsing. Moderate to light use will get you almost 2 days. This is a gorgeous phone, both front and back. It also has the brains to match thanks to the latest hardware in the phone. The incredible camera performance is the cherry on top as it can take phenomenal photos even in challenging conditions. The super fast charging and long-lasting battery gets a final tick on the Camon 20 Premier 5G as the mid-range camera king. The Camon 20 Premier goes for 51,000 Kenyan shillings. It is available at Tecno's official retail stores countrywide and partner e-commerce platforms. Till the next one.